Hi everyone, welcome back to another interesting English lesson. As you saw in the thumbnail, is learning English important and how can I learn it? Well, my honest answer is yes. Learning English is important because in today's generation, no matter what you choose to learn or not learn, make sure you know how to speak English well. I say this because I have noticed if someone lacks confidence or knowledge in English, people often assume they are uneducated or not capable. And these all kinds of judgments come up. Now I know many of you might say, we don't care what other things or this doesn't define our identity. And I agree with you. But deep down, let's be honest, it does affect us because I have gone through this situation myself. And the truth is, whether you are applying for a job or giving an interview or almost working in any field, English has become essential, and that's the harsh reality. We can't deny it. But the question is, how do we actually learn this language? First of all, remember, you don't need to learn everything like all grammar rules, thousands of phrasal verbs, or complex vocabulary. What you really need is just a phone, 15 to 20 minutes a day, and a quiet space. Nowadays, we have endless options like ChatGPT, AI tools, language learning apps for practice. So, saying this, I do not have a partner is no longer an excuse. Now, let's focus on rules. Rule number one, listen and repeat. Listen to anything that grabs your interest and repeat what you hear because this improves your pronunciation and mouth muscles, making your speech more clearer and more confident. Rule number two, learn tenses. Only tenses at first because without them, you won't be able to form correct sentences. Rule number three, build your vocabulary. Focus on vocab, but don't focus on rare or fancy words. Start with simple daily use vocabulary. That's what helps you level up your English. If you follow just these basic steps for 1 month, you'll start noticing real improvement in yourself. And if you want to be more professional in English, then go ahead. It depends on your practice. How much you practice is what really matters. So stay consistent, practice daily, and improvement will be yours. I hope this video was helpful. If you want more interesting tips and interesting English lessons, then stay tuned for my upcoming videos and see you in the next one.